Welcome to Homework Lib.
Question.
Perfectly elastic collision, coefficient of restitution. Definition: the coefficient of restitution, E, is defined as the ratio of the relative speed after collision to the relative speed before collision measured along the line of impact. Key concept: in a perfectly elastic collision, kinetic energy is conserved and there is no loss of energy to sound, heat, or deformation. Formula: E equal frac relative speed after collision, relative speed before collision. Perfectly elastic collision case. For a perfectly elastic collision one, this means that the relative speed of separation is equal to the relative speed of approach. Conclusion: in a perfectly elastic collision, since kinetic energy is completely conserved and no energy is lost, the coefficient of restitution is exactly 1:1.